Implementation. After planning has been completed, it is time to implement the new Coordinated Transportation Plan. This is the stage in the coordination process when negotiations for contracts for transportation services are entered into, and other aspects of the coordination plan, such as new technologies, are implemented. The goal is to have the transition from uncoordinated services to coordinated services occur as smoothly as possible. This can be accomplished by several means, including phased implementation, identifying all tasks and subtasks to be completed during implementation, and clearly assigning responsibilities for all activities. Depending on the complexity of the coordination plans, the implementation phase can take as little as a few months or as long as a year or more. The following provides a very brief overview of some critical aspects of implementation. However, more detailed information about this stage can be found in Chapter 7 of the Montana Coordinated Handbook. The very first step that should be taken is to solicit a final confirmation of all participating members. Every member should review the materials gathered in the written plan. Participants need to fully understand the tasks and subtasks for which they will be responsible. Next, Montana Public Service Commission licensing and regulation rules, as well as Americans with Disabilities Act guidelines, including requirements for any vehicle purchased by a transportation provider, should be fully understood and compliance with them must be verified. More information about these rules and guidelines can also be found in Chapter 7 of the Montana Coordinated Transportation Handbook. The next steps to be taken involve taking stock of the vehicles that will be utilized in the new system, including the assurance that proper maintenance resources exist to handle the new system. Hiring processes for drivers, including the determination of wages, benefits, and training, must also be fully established.
Finally, a comprehensive risk management plan must be completed that includes all the steps taken to ensure passenger safety and minimize the legal and financial liabilities of the transportation provider. Components of this plan include insurance plans, emergency procedures, and drug and alcohol testing. Please refer to Chapter 7 of the MCTH for a more detailed overview of the implementation phase. Once the Coordinated Transportation Plan has been implemented, performance of the new coordinated system must be monitored to determine if it is operating as planned. We will now discuss the next phase of the annual process, evaluation.